Okay, we're recording, huh? Okay, hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to a new video, and today it is gonna be episode 2 of the Scratch programming series, and I'm just gonna on the fan because it is hot in here. Sorry if you hear the voices, but then that's fine. Okay, so we are exactly where we left in the last video, and we are ready to go ahead and cover all this good stuff. Okay, so I think we were at glide, and yeah. So what this basically glide block does is, let me also get a go-to block. So if I want this basketball to go slowly to over here, I won't be able to use this block. So this is x100 and y0 is fine. So this will just instantaneously come here, and that is not what we want. We wanted to take its time and go to that place. So if I were to go to x0 and then so this is over here, and then glide for dash seconds to x, let's say 100, which is right here, and y0, which is right here. Then what we do is it will take 1 second or how much ever you put in and come to here, just like that. Okay, and that is very useful when you're making like stories and stuff, but not really as useful right now. Okay, then you go to change x by, set x2, change y by, and set y2. Okay, so let me remove these two because they kind of do the same thing as these two, just on a vertical axis. And so let's say my ball is at minus 100 and minus 100x and 0y, and I can put this change x by command, and it will change its x position by this one. So you can even make it minus 10. So yeah, we're learning integers right now in school. So minus 100 plus minus 10 is minus 110. I think I have done that correct. But anyways, it'll move backwards. It's very important when you want the sprite to move to some place, but you don't want to set a certain position for where to move it, and then you go to set x2. Now just like the go to, what this does is that it removes the y. It only cares about the x. So I can do x to 0 and the y will remain constant. So you can see like that. And basically what this change y does is that it goes up and down. Set y sets the y axis. So it does the same thing. Okay. Then there's this set rotation style, left to right, don't rotate all around. So if we actually come to this information icon right here, then you've got this rotation style place, and right now it is set to all around. And if I were to change the direction, it would just keep moving. Okay, then we've got left to right. So what this would do is that it would only we've got left to right. So whichever direction it is, it will only move left to right. So it will not go at an irregular direction. And then we got don't rotate at all, and that will make it so that it won't rotate at all. Perfect. Then again, these are all variables. I explained that in the last video, and we can move on to the next one. We still have this one, but I'm just going to keep it aside for now. Yeah. Okay, now we also discussed the events, and I think the next thing is the control section. So let's say I want this ball to stay here, wait here, then I want it to go here, I want it to stay here, I want it to go here and just stay there. How would I do it? Now if I were to use the go, if I were to do this, go to x0, y0, then go to x100, y100. Now I can also just go to, you know what, this is what I can do. So I just want to change the x, so I can just set x to 100 and then set x to minus 100. Okay. Okay. So what this will now just tell me what the problem with this program is. Just pause the video and tell me. Okay. So the problem with this program is that it will do all of these at in like a second, in like a fraction of a second, because it execute these commands at the same time. So it would just stay here. It will go here, and come here instantaneously. Now we don't want that to happen. So what we can do is we can add this wait block. Now this takes a parameter as a second, and you can change that. So it will go to x00, it will wait for a second, it will go to x100, wait for a second, go to x minus 100. Let's try that. Perfect. That is what you want. Now you can even put glide. It'll just do the same thing. Now that's the wait block. Then you have the repeat and the forever loop. So these two are loops. Let's say I have the move, or yeah. So let's say I have the move block, and instead of doing this, or instead of I want to move 10 steps and turn 15 degrees, and then I want to move 10 steps and turn 15 degrees, and then move 10, and I want to do that. Now instead of doing this, we're repeating this how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now instead of doing this, you can just put a repeat block and set this parameter to 4. So what this will do right now is it will repeat whatever is inside it 4 times. So move 10 step, turn 15, and it will repeat again, move 10, turn 15. See, and I can increase this, so I can make it 10 times. I can make it 100 times. So it will repeat a certain command that is inside it a certain number of times, and it is a finite loop. Okay, now you have the forever loop. Now just like the repeat loop, this will repeat these commands that are inside it until the world ends, literally. Just until you press this red button right here. So again you can see that it is repeating them until you press the red button. Okay. Then you have the if then else, wait until, repeat until, and these clone blocks. I won't do any of these today, but I will do this, and this. Okay. So let's start with the stop all. Now if I were to do this, nothing would really happen. And if you're actually making it a game or something, you have multiple programs for you to execute. So one of them could even be forever turn 15 degrees. Let me execute this. And then we have to set the rotation style to all around. Okay, and then execute. There we go. So it is continuously turning. But what if you want to stop that after some time? What if you want to stop all of these? Let's say you have a huge program and you want to stop it after some time. Then you can use the stop all. I can put it right over here, and it will execute this for 2 seconds, and it will just stop everything. And you also have other things. You can stop this particular script. You can stop the whole sprite, and it's very useful for ending a game. Okay, then you have the clone. Now for this I'm going to have a repeat loop. I'm going to repeat 10 times. I'm going to create a clone of myself. Now most of you guys out there have the sci-fi knowledge of what clones are. Clones are basically copies of this object. If I were to create a clone of myself 10 times, then it would make copies of me. 10 different copies. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you can just execute it, and there'll be only the one original. original basketball left. And then when I start as a clone, so it is just like this green flag is clicked, but whatever you want the clone to do, it will execute that. So right now the clone is moving 10 steps, 100 times, 1,000 times maybe. So all these clones will keep, will do whatever is inside here, and again you can add multiple scripts. Okay, and then delete this clone. Basically, let's say you want a clone to serve a function and then you just want to delete it. So if I have this, then it will create a clone, and when I start as a clone it will move 10 steps, and also it will create an exact clone with all of its properties, so you make sure that it's pointing in the correct direction. Okay, so it moved 10 steps, it waited for a second, and then it deleted the clone. That's what the delete clone command does. Okay, now we've got 4 more minutes for the video left, and let us quickly move on to the loops section. Now let's say hello, say, think, and think. If I execute this, then the ball will say whatever text is here in here for how many ever seconds. Hello, 1, 2, it went out. And say hello will make it say hello until it executes the next command. So let's see. Let me make it say hello and then move 10 steps. So we'll just keep saying hello. Okay. Then you got to think, and again the voice bubble will change. Okay, and you can edit the text again, and then think will just make it think until the end of time. So this is like a forever loop kind of thing, but then it will execute what is underneath it. Okay, then we have the show. Now show basically means show. It is showing. Hide basically means it will hide. Now let me give you a small example of this. Let me just show itself. Let me show in the beginning. Let me make it go to x0, y0. Let me make it glide for 1 second to x 0, y 100, and then hide. What do you think this will do? So it went up, it showed itself, came to this position, glided up to here, and it hid itself. Okay, that is basically what show and hide does. Okay, now in the last class we also talked about costumes. Now I'm just gonna make a bunch of let me delete the sprite. Let me get a new sprite in the library, and why don't I select this ball right here? Okay, now if you go to costumes, you can see it has multiple costumes. It has multiple costumes. So if I were to get this over here, if I were to put a forever loop and I were to put switch costume to, in the beginning it will switch costume to the costume name. So this is ball A, ball B, ball C, ball D, ball E. If you switch the costume name, then you've got the next costume. It does what it says. It will go on to the next costume. And then I can add a weight in it. Maybe 0.1. Yeah? Okay. That is probably what we're going to do. And this is the switch backdrop. We'll just change the backdrop. And yeah, I think that is what we're going to do for today. You probably understand what all of these other things do. But yeah, in the next video, we can probably go into sensing, operators, sound, and data. Yeah, let us do that. This is going to be it. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe. Leave a like down below. Yeah, share with your friends, family, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.